Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to Cray's Flavor King, where we bring the best of gourmet cooking right into your kitchen. Ever wish you could get that restaurant-style rotisserie chicken right at home? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into a recipe that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect roast sticky chicken, rotisserie style. Let's dive into it. This recipe is not only delicious but also incredibly easy to follow. First, let's gather our ingredients. The key to a great dish is having everything ready before you start cooking. You'll need 4 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika, which will add a beautiful color and a mild sweetness to the chicken. 1 teaspoon of onion powder for that subtle savory depth. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, which brings a hint of earthiness and a touch of mint. 1 teaspoon of white pepper, for a gentle heat that won't overpower the other flavors. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, adding a bit more kick and complexity. 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, for those who like a little extra spice. And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, because who doesn't love garlic? And of course 2 whole chickens, about 4 pounds each, and 2 onions quartered. The onions will add moisture and flavor from the inside out. Now combine all those spices in a small bowl. This is where the magic begins. This mix will give your chickens that incredible flavor we all love. Make sure it's well blended. Next, remove and discard the giblets from the chickens. This step is crucial for a clean and flavorful dish. Rinse the cavity and pat them dry with paper towels. Drying the chicken helps the spices stick better. Rub each chicken inside and out with that spice mixture. Be generous and make sure every part is covered. Trust me, you want that flavor in every bite. The more thorough you are, the better the end result. Place 1 quartered onion into the cavity of each chicken. This will infuse the meat with a wonderful aroma. This adds a nice aroma and keeps the meat juicy. The onions will also absorb some of the spices, enhancing the overall flavor. Now place your chickens in resealable plastic bags or double wrap them in plastic wrap. This helps to lock in the flavors. Refrigerate overnight or at least 4 to 6 hours. The longer the better, as it allows the spices to penetrate deeply. This marinating time is crucial for that deep flavor. Patience is key here. Alright, now it's time to cook. Get ready for your kitchen to smell amazing. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius. This low and slow cooking method ensures tender, juicy meat. Place your chickens in a roasting pan and slide it into the oven. Make sure they have enough space to cook evenly. Let them bake uncovered for about 5 hours. This slow roasting will make the skin crispy and the meat tender. You don't need to baste the bird, but if you like, you can do it for the first hour. This can add an extra layer of flavor. An instant read thermometer inserted into the meat near the bone should read at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. This ensures it's cooked through. Once done, let the chickens rest for about 10 minutes before carving. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute. This helps the juices redistribute, making every bite tender and flavorful. Carving too soon can make the meat dry. Carve it up, serve, and enjoy. Your family and friends will be amazed by the flavor. And there you go, the perfect rotisserie style chicken right at home. It's a dish that looks as good as it tastes. If you love this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Spread the joy of cooking. Thanks for watching Cray's Flavor King. Happy cooking! We appreciate your support and can't wait to bring you more delicious recipes. Remember, the secret is in the spices and the slow cooking. These 2 elements make all the difference. Try it out this weekend and impress your family and friends. Catch you next time. Until then, keep cooking and keep smiling.